So the other day I was watching a video which featured Stephen Hawking, and he was saying that Earth will face annihilation, so humans will have to find a new planet to colonize and live over there. Which left me thinking, what if in some alien planet this had already happened and they are coming to Earth to colonize it? Or what if aliens are among us disguised as humans? So I was looking up for some videos and I came across this.
Hey folks, Steve Vai here, and welcome to Alien Guitar Secrets Episode 9.
Now he could have named the series anything. Why Alien Guitar Secrets? And no, this is not a coincidence because he also has an album which is named Alien Love Secrets. Who will know the best about alien love secrets other than an alien? This is him explaining how he was holding a weird cord which led to an injury which led to a surgery.
My hand often, it hurt. And they just cut here and slice the...
And after the surgery he is playing this.
I still have one hand.
This is impossible for a human, but what if he is not one? I looked up for some information and everything there just raised my suspicion.
Gray aliens. Smooth gray colored skin. Large black eyes. Human-like with small bodies.
Happened to be Steve Vai. He was shorter than me, you know?
Their bodies are usually depicted as being elongated.
I actually like having big hands. They're very large and...
Having a small chest.
Shut up!
We all know about SpaceX by Elon Musk. It is said that he has contacts with the aliens. And maybe this is a very big conspiracy with many people involved in it. And it's true, you cannot communicate with your partner directly. It can raise suspicion. And the complexity of this process makes it so much real. When Elon Musk was asked,
hire people, what kind of skills do you want them to have?
How they made decisions at key transition points.
Transitions and key changes are musical terms. These things occur in a non-diatonic progression. Clearly, Elon Musk is talking about improvisation.
And what I'm really looking for is evidence of exceptional ability. Did they face really difficult problems and overcome them?
It's totally natural if you haven't noticed anything. Actually, his string broke. Still, he didn't mess up.
Face really difficult problems and overcome them.
He is an alien, I'm telling you. He is an alien.
I used to sit in the mirror and watch myself play to develop my style.
Why would you look into the mirror while playing? This does not make any sense.
Trying to make them look very elegant.
Okay, now it does. I absolutely agree with this. A mirror is very important because it makes you conscious of your hand movements, especially if you are an extraterrestrial being. Then it is all about limiting yourself to what humans can do, like if you stretch from the 3rd fret.
On my 6th birthday, I got a little spinet organ.
Okay, first thing, nobody gets an organ as their birthday gift, even as a transplant.
Immediately was able to play melodies and stuff. It just kind of came together immediately.
Oh, I see. He was talking about musical instrument. That's not quite unnatural because the guitar seems to be like one of his organs. And whenever I see him play his thing, it seems like the sound is coming out of his soul, not out of the amp. His hairs are moving like tentacles. Now it is your turn. Move your hairs like tentacles. You can't? It's normal. You are not an alien. Steve Vai is.
So anything you see with like a guitar in it or an amplifier, you're just like, it's like better than porn, you know?
Only an alien will say this.
The idea that you could take a piece of manuscript paper and write on it and have a whole orchestra just, at your beck and call.
See, aliens have always tried to dominate human beings on Earth. How do I know that? From films. Wait a minute. Is this what they are planning to do with the world? Maybe one day he will turn into a big titan and play his guitar, which will do this to the world. This is just a demo. Or will he turn into a titan to save the earth from aliens? I have got no clue. Let's ask him rather. Share this video so much that it reaches Steve Vai, and I think he will answer the question. And also share this video with the guitar nerds you know. So until my next video, bye, take care, we'll meet you in the next one.